Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're out here at Clarksville Speedway, finally getting the old 2 valve out here to make some passes again since we got it fixed up. I'm excited. I'm also really nervous at the same time, but I think I've dotted my I's and crossed my T's and checked everything, and hopefully we don't have any issues this time. So there's a bunch of cars out here, you can see. Got all the bracket guys out here warming their cars up. Sergio's out here, already rebuilt the motor on it. He's over here cleaning some injectors. Over guy Nicholas Smith over here with his C10 LS power. There's Tim. What's up, Tim? We got them men out here. Some local bracket racer guys out here running. Everyone's getting warmed up and ready to roll in. Track should be cooling down a little bit, so. Hopefully once the track gets cooled down a little bit, you guys can see me, there we go. Hopefully it'll hook pretty good. I got a pretty soft tune up in the car, gonna pull a bunch of timing off the hit, run about 13 pounds total down the track. So we're gonna get out there, make this first pass and see what happens. Turn it on.
That's pretty good.
It needs more power because the converter pulls it down hard on the 1-2 shift. And then it pulls hard. Yeah. It only 60 141. I'm pulling a whole bunch of timing. I just wanted to hook. Yep. That was just a to B pass. Yep.
That's awesome.
You want me to show it?
Hey, Sergio.
15?
11.
You want me to show it?
11 to 12 pounds the whole pass.
That compression is nice. It's good.
You want me to show it?
Yeah. That was 11 to 12 pounds the whole pass. Dude, whenever it lugs it from the 1-2 shift, and then when it starts to pick up again, it pulls hard, dude.
So
it wants more boost to keep the converter in RPM.
Yeah, because you got to build it for higher.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure the car was like sitting high the whole time.
No, he's just talking about like he needs more power.
No, I'm talking about like the car was like up in the air.
It was, man, I haven't felt the pull like that in a long time. I was like, whoa.
Yeah, it pulls soft, man.
And then it
picked up. It's got good mile per hour too.
That was good, man. I'm shaking a little bit.
Yeah, I told you. It's always the first one.
Yep, on to the next. Alright guys, this is alright pass. The car's bogging down real bad between the shifts. Getting somewhere now. Boost is up there a little bit, so that should have been about 15 or 16 pounds. We'll get back here and look at the data and make sure everything looks all right. We'll turn it up a little bit more and go out and make another pass.
Yeah, because if he had one of these, I just touched phone to give him the video.
That's a little bit better. I pulled the parachute.
Hey, so you wrong.
Yeah, man, we went a little bit faster that time. We're getting somewhere now. Yeah, that was a 576 at 120 with a 133 60 foot. So 60 foot's getting there. So we'll go out, hit it a little bit harder next time and see what happens.
that top.
Alright guys, so that's going to end the video. Quick recap, because I'm terrible about closing out these videos at the track. I always get carried away and forget to pull out the camera. But anyways, very happy with how the car did last night. It didn't run into any major issues. That last pass had about 19 pounds of boost. It was a little too hot for the track. I wasn't pulling enough power off the hit. I obviously started to spin the tires and it just went away from there. Pedaled it, got back into it, and the car did trap 123, almost 124 miles an hour. So it's making really, really good power for the boost it's on. I was very happy with the pass before that. That was 15 to 16 pounds of boost. Went 133 60 foot, and it went a 576 at 120, and I was short shifting it extremely bad. I was supposed to rev the car to 8,000 RPM, and I think I shifted into third gear at 6,800 RPM, and it just drugged the car down, and it killed mile per hour and AT at the other end of the track. So I got a lot of learning to do with the car. That was the first time out, but like I said, I'm extremely happy the car is performing well above expectations, and had zero issues out of it. So that's going to be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like always, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.